You're standing in line at the grocery store, minding your own business, when, achoo, someone sneezes, and just like that, the cold virus becomes an uninvited guest in your lungs. Now the drama begins. The virus drifts into your airway and crashes right into one of your cells. See, every single living creature on this planet, whether it's a microscopic bacterium, a towering blue whale, or, well, you, is made up of cells. These tiny powerhouses are wrapped in a flexible yet tough outer shell called the cell membrane, a dynamic barrier made of fats and proteins. This membrane doesn't just sit there, it's selective, allowing some things in and out while keeping others locked out. Covering the membrane are tiny projections, like little antennas with serious jobs. They help cells stick together, grab nutrients, and carry out countless microscopic tasks. Both animal and plant cells have these membranes, but only plant cells get the bonus of a rigid cell wall, built from tough cellulose that keeps plants upright and structured. But back to that sneaky virus. It's clever, almost too clever. Masquerading as something harmless, it latches on to one of those cell membrane projections. The cell, fooled by the disguise, lets the virus inside. Big mistake. Once the virus crosses the threshold, the cell realizes it's been duped. An invader is in the house. Immediately, the cell sounds the internal alarm. Specialized enzymes rush in like a microscopic SWAT team and begin slicing the virus to shreds. One shredded piece is pushed back through the membrane, where it's displayed like a wanted poster for all neighboring cells to see. A nearby cell catches sight of the warning and jumps into action. It's time to make antibodies, tiny protein warriors designed to hunt down and destroy the virus. This process kicks off deep within the cell's nucleus, the control center where DNA, the body's master blueprint, is stored. A particular gene in the DNA holds the code for antibodies. Enzymes copy this code, creating messenger RNA, or mRNA, which exits the nucleus carrying these urgent instructions. The mRNA travels to a ribosome, one of the cell's many protein-making machines. These ribosomes are scattered like beads along the endoplasmic reticulum, a ribbon-like network within the cell. The ribosome reads the instructions, gathers amino acids, and links them together one by one, assembling the perfect antibody. But building it isn't enough, it has to get out. The new antibody heads to the Golgi apparatus, the cell's post office. There it's packed into a little bubble made from the same stuff as the cell membrane. The Golgi gives it final directions, where to go and how to get there. The bubble glides toward the edge of the cell, fuses with the membrane, and poof, out goes the antibody, ready to hunt the virus. As for the bubble, it's not wasted. The lysosomes swoop in to break it down and recycle the parts. And how is all of this possible? Energy. That's where the mitochondria step in. These are the cell's energy factories. They take in oxygen, yes, that's why we breathe, and combine it with electrons from the food we eat. The result? Water and a high-powered molecule called ATP. That's the cell's fuel, powering every step of this elaborate defense. Plant cells, they do it differently. They have chloroplasts, which capture sunlight and use it to turn carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen, a little process called photosynthesis. Every part of a cell has a job. Every cell has a purpose. And with around 37 trillion cells in your body, all working in sync, it's a miracle we function at all. But we do, thanks to a microscopic army that never sleeps.